So let's say you are building an app or anything that you like and you are about to launch it. What you need, an app name or that product name. So how do you brainstorm it? So if you are having trouble, we can directly create an agent in AgentGPT in order to walk through it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create an agent that helps you with brainstorming. So let's get straight to it. Now, if you have a product, you can just simply head towards agentgpt.rework.ai and you should be right here. So we have also created similar videos regarding AgentGPT, so make sure to watch it on our channel. So it should be on the home tab, and now once you're here, you should be on the name right here. And now once you're under the name, you can just simply type in anything for the name. So I'm just going to type in name GPT, just make it random, and just simply type in your goal. So this right here is our prompt. So you can just simply see it generates a 20 to 30 creative product or app names based on this idea. So what idea do you want? Let's say I want a clothing brand. Now just simply select enter and your execution should be successful. And that's it. As you can see right here, it started executing. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.